Hi guys, today we will see how to make a greenish pathway or greenish field, or what to say, something green blocks that looks some kind of grassy look. You see this thing has something like grassy look, and you can put it anywhere on your project. Just you see, this is the item, and this side will be put down on the sand, and it will not be visible, it will be under the sand, and this part only will be visible. And when I put down, just push it on the sand. You see, amazing, isn't it? You see, it's like this. You can put anywhere, and it's a long lasting project. So let's see how we can make them. Let me show you more of some more items. Like it's the green one, I have made more. Let me show you. You see, this is another one. I made it yesterday. The gum is not finished, or gum or paste, whatever you say. This is done by Fevicol wooden paste. So we have to paste again. Doesn't matter. You see how it looks, greenish looks, and this one too. You may have to put paste once or twice. I prefer it to make it twice. You see how it looks, very good look. So let's see how it was done. Let's do that. At first we need some sawdust. It is basically from the plywood sawdust, and I collected it and then painted with enamel paints. I will show you on a different tutorial, but for now let's see how the process can be done. Just say this is our piece, and we will color it. This is quite simple. Let's take the paste from here by your finger, and just we make it here. You can use brush too. I'm just in hurry, so I will not use this. Just use the paste gently with your hand. This is it. Just remember, putting paste for one time will not be enough. It may require one or more time. Most probably you have to do is for double time. Let's see the camera, put it here, and just soak it with the paste here, and like this, spread them like this. Okay, sorry for the noise, man, this is a crowded place. Okay, and just push it hard, and you see there the gum, and there it is not done. So what we can do, just press them again manually. This is it. Okay, this is done, and we will leave it to the sun for 1 or 2 hours. Later we will see what happened. Okay guys, this is the dried version. It was on the sun full day. Now I have bring it back to home. You see, this is this when I put this on the floor or on the field, it really looks nice. And I think this is quite easy. Just use a medium and put the paste and leave it to dry, and using twice is the best idea. It will be covered fully by these layers, and it works best with this green color, as it will work as a green layer, and you can use it wherever you want. So this is the today's tutorial, and on the next tutorial I will show how to make these colors, these grassy things. Till then, take care, bye bye.